All right, guys, so we're back. It is the next day. I don't know what time it is. What time is it? It's almost 8. We're at HP Logic, back. You guys probably know this car. Probably seems a little familiar.
It's a little broken right now.
We're all broken, man.
We're all broken.
So this, obviously you guys know Chris, you know, stranger. Marcus is with us. We got, I mean, I think we may have got a bit of the luck of the rod knock, bro.
It's crazy, man. Like every time I'm around,
yeah,
shit just breaks.
Yeah. So here's a story. We well, actually, let's start the day first, shall we? Let's start off our day. So we took the Evo down to actually go and just went to a fab place to see what we could do as far as exhaust and stuff like that for this car. And on the way back, you know, we're going, and then like all of a sudden the clutch, the pedal, like just doesn't want to come back to the like its original position. Yeah, there's no clutch. So we jammed it in first, just matched the rev into second, got it in here, and we look under this car, he's got a huge puddle, like probably, I'm assuming clutch line or maybe the slave or something like that has failed. But so that's one car down. Marcus, last day, yes, you guys saw his car was doing well in the dyno. What's happening with it today, Marcus? How's she running?
She's sputtering a little
So
bit.
we got some sputter. Okay, so we got sputter, we got some clutch issues, and now let's see what we got going on here. So I just took Chris for a ride. You guys probably checked that video out on his channel. But here's the problem. So my temperature gauge, currently I have a glow shift one, and it's broken or something has happened, and it's just pegged at 300. It just shows 300 all the time.
Hey man, maybe it was accurate.
Could you imagine? It was actually at 300. So that, I mean, obviously my factory gauge on the cluster doesn't work. So I had no temperature gauge reading at all, and it's never gotten over like 212 ever. I actually scratched like 215 on the highway. But I just came back and we shut it down. I turned it back on to like help it cool down, and it just wouldn't crank over. I mean, it would just crank, but it wouldn't start. And I think there might have been like a temperature safety protection or something like that, because we waited a few minutes and it just fired right back up. But the temperature was at 250, which is it's up there. We like to be around 170, 180. And then this thing just filled up so fast, had to chug a water bottle real quick, thanks to Chris. So I don't know, bro. I think maybe, I mean, it's not rod knock. We haven't gotten the full rod knock because it runs great, but we just turned it on and it literally just stayed at 223 with the hood open and the fan on for 5 minutes. You know, it's good. Pretty stoked on that. Probably a head gasket, maybe a head gasket. I don't really know what else it could be, but either way, at least we're in the right place to fix it. But man,
worst comes worse, you pull the head off and you're
that's right.
on your way.
That's right. Maybe do a compression test if we have a chance. Because I do have 1,200 miles to get back home, and we'll figure something out. Just right now, I'm oh, and by the way, the clutch noise is back. How great, bro! Like, what a great day. We thought we fixed it. We're kind of back to square one. And actually, now we have what could be we could be. Yeah. There's no other way of putting that. Yeah. There's no other way of putting that. So. I don't know, man. I'll keep you guys posted what we do, but it's not looking great right now. Let's just put it that way.
Well, it looks great.
It looks great.
It looks great, but it's not performing.
The performance could be better.
Yeah, hell yeah. You ready for this?
I'm ready, man.
I'm gonna put it in first. I did.
Okay.
And then I'm just gonna steer it. Hopefully this is okay.
Here we go. Yes.
Action.
Yes. Oh. Yeah. That's how you drive a car with no clutch right there, ladies and gentlemen. Pick a gear, start it. Well, damn. Well, goddamn.
So, you know, man, she's not as like perfect as this car. She's rattly.
What are we looking at here? What is this? What is this thing? What is this rocket ship?
This is my Roadster. We call her Baby Rocket.
Okay.
Usually these cars have, you know, the Miata engine.
Sorry, I'm gonna light you up a little bit.
No, it's all good.
Okay.
But if you look under the hood here.
Yeah.
We got Nissan. Wait, hold on. Come over here. Look at this sticker.
Okay, I got you.
This is true. Right there. That's true.
We like that. That's a good start.
If you follow me here.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, I was gonna say, what's okay? Gives a character. Wait, hang on a second there. That's not factory, brother.
Yeah, dude. It kind of looks factory, doesn't it?
It does look factory.
It looks like it belongs in the car.
It actually does look like it should be there, man.
Yeah, no, I'm really hyped on. Okay, you don't have to show all the imperfections.
Damn.
Thank you. Okay, yeah, it's a little loose.
Damn.
You know who built it though?
Well,
This guy.
He helped. He
Okay.
definitely helped.
All right, lent a hand. Dang. Well, I like it, man. So turbo, that's a GTX 28?
No, it's a 2867.
2867.
I used to have a 2871, and don't get me wrong, that turbo was great. It was a little more laggier than this turbo, but this turbo with horsepower and torque blows it out of the wall.
Okay, all right.
For sure, and it spools a lot quicker, and
Yeah.
it's just way more responsive overall.
I got you. And she's on the 85.
It's on
That's
the
like a
85.
common
All
Florida
85.
thing.
Yeah,
That's
because like, dude, I mean, I live 10 minutes away from here, and the 85 is on the way to my shop.
I got you.
So
So,
it's
it
like,
makes
why
sense.
wouldn't I?
Yeah, it's a
You know?
no-brainer. We'll kill her, man. Let's take this thing for a little rip.
Don't kind of tell me twice. They told me to not park their spot. I don't know. It's weird.
All right.
I'll pull back with you.
All right. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, she's snug.
Yeah.
She's snug.
We got the fake brides in it.
Okay. Yeah, normal seatbelts.
So the seatbelt is very hard to put on. You have to like really click it into place.
Okay.
But it's dark in here, huh?
Right. Oh shit, you ain't lying. Oh my god, bro. Oh,
But once it locks, man, it locks. Like mine's good.
I think my. Okay, no, we're good. I feel good.
We got a little exhaust leak right after the turbo, dude. I've tried fixing it like 5 or 6 times, and it's a V-band, and no matter what, I even bought a new V-band, and it still leaks.
Still
so I
leaking.
just said, fuck it.
Screw it.
I'm over it.
Yeah, I don't blame you. Let her be.
I mean, in boost, you can't even tell. Give it a little pull.
Damn, bro.
It's fun, man.
Dude, holy shit.
She's a handful, dude.
She gets down, bro.
And I love this car because like no matter what gear you're in, it never stops pulling, it never falls off. Like the power is just always there.
Bro, that was really surprising.
Yeah, it's fun. And like I love the little turbo one you get.
Yeah. Dude, this thing is no joke. What the hell, bro? Dude, I was not expecting, honestly, anything like that.
Dude, I feel like the videos don't do it justice.
Bro.
But, like this thing is literally a rocket ship. And especially
Dude.
for like a Miata. Like I try not to talk it up, but like it's not bad.
No. All right.
Dude, not bad for an SR.
No, dude, this thing is quick.
It's definitely a lot of fun. Now you know why it's my favorite car.
That makes a whole lot of sense, dude.
And it's like, I mean, knock on wood, but I haven't had a lot of issues other than my turbo blowing up, which is my fault because I didn't put a air filter on it.
Okay.
So I went to the Firm, which is a racetrack in Florida, and a rock just went right in there. And like it lasted like another 1,000 miles, but after like we really like upped the boost and stuff, like I was running 23 pounds of boost, which I still am.
Okay.
After that, like, dude, I took it for a pull, and then it was completely NA. I go to the turbo, I wiggle the fin, dude. I could practically pull it out. It was a loose tooth. It was insane.
Damn, bro.
And then I sent it out to get fixed, right? And then it got lost in the mail.
Oh no.
So after that, I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna get a new turbo, and that was it.
Dude, that's ridiculous. Look at those coolant temps, bro.
Not bad, right?
Better than 250.
Yeah.
Shit.
So like,
That's nice too, by the way. That's really cool.
Yeah, I love it. Shout out to Carlos right here for making the carbon fiber sides.
Carlos.
But yeah, I mean, if I rage it a lot, it'll usually sit around 190, and even then, like, I'm not too stoked on it. you
Yeah,
know?
I know.
Once I see like
feel you.
195, I'm chilling.
That's how I used to be, man. I used to be
Yeah.
terrified, and here I am.
Just raging at
Heating her up, second gear clutch dumps.
That's it.
Red line at 250, but
Yeah, dude.
this thing's awesome,
I
dude.
just want
Like,
to go to the racetrack and rage it out.
I'll be honest, this has surprised me a lot.
Yeah.
This is badass. Like,
Yeah.
it gets down, bro.
My only complaints is you hear that vibration, like right there.
Yeah, what was that?
So for some reason I thought I should go 3-inch exhaust.
Oh, it's hitting your car?
Dude, it hits everywhere, and I got this Pontiac Solstice like rear end, so
Yeah.
like, there's no room back there, and it like constantly just like
Oh, so it's hitting
bangs.
the diff.
Exactly.
Oh.
It hits down like for the I don't know, it hits somewhere in the middle, but like the whole thing just rattles. But other than that, it's not bad.
That's not... That's not horrible. It's better than my clutch noise, bro. I'll be honest.
Honestly, I would trade you.
Really?
Yeah, I would, because
All right,
like
we'll
just
figure out how to do
normal
that.
driving, dude, it's just
That's
vibrant
fair.
city, especially at like certain RPMs.
I got you. You could hammer in the exhaust a little bit if you need to, like make a
Yeah.
little dent, you know?
Honestly, I just want to go 2.5. Like, I feel like 3-inch was kind of overkill.
Yeah. It'll probably, two and a half will probably be enough.
Yeah, for
It'll still be
sure.
plenty. This thing's rad, man.
Yeah, dude. Got the Hello Kitty. That's like OG right there.
Blew my mind, man, actually. This thing's fast. And how much is it making? 4?
This is making 360. on
What?
Jack's dyno. That's why I want to take it to a dyno jet, because like,
Dude,
for
this-
360, dude, this thing's pretty terrifying.
Shoot,
My
man.
goal with this car is to get a high 10, like a 10.9, 10.8. When I get there, I'll be happy.
Easily doable.
Yeah.
Easily doable,
I
man.
think at like 450, I'll be there.
Yeah, because you're not even breathing on this motor. Like,
No.
power-wise, man.
Dude, I mean, this is on NT01s, and like, we're spinning second hard. Like, we're spinning it all in.
Oh, yeah, you can... yeah, it's ridiculous,
Yeah,
man.
My other goal is to spin third, which honestly, spinning is like stupid, but at the same time, it's so
That's
fun.
when you know you're making some juice.
It's
You know
just
what I'm
so
saying?
fun. Like, I love hearing the rev limiter just like,
Yeah.
Because
And
like,
you're
I'm a drifter at heart.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
Like, you gotta have some
Exactly,
fun.
man. No, this is rad,
You know? It is
bro.
a hot box in here. Dude.
It is hot. I mean, we don't have the windows up, but...
Oh yeah, my bad. I'm over here like smoking out.
Damn.
I love it though. It's a fun car. Maybe we'll do one poll again.
All right, I hear you.
Just because I personally can't get enough of it.
Yeah, bro, this is...
I should start dailying it, honestly.
You should, man. I would. We just race everybody.
Yeah.
Just blow everyone out the water.
I'll try to launch it for you. I raced what are those Jeeps? The SRT4 Jeeps? I raced one of those, and like I started pulling on the drag strip, and like at the end, like he started pulling on me, but like I was just happy that I kind of kept up with him. You know?
I got you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right, so here we go. Got those wheel woods to slow us down.
The brakes work. That's good.
Last one, she's done for the night.
Damn it.
And just like that, sadly,
It's all she wrote. Yeah, it's all
goes
she
away
wrote.
for a little bit until Friday.
So oh yeah, she's going to track.
I'm trying to convince my boy Calvin to come over on the drag strip.
I really want to go, but as of right now, the car is a little upset with me. So
I mean, hey, dude, it's a couple days away.
if we can fix this, it's totally a possibility. Damn, man. Well, thanks for the ride, brother.
Yeah, dude, no problem.
If you guys don't follow him, obviously, link
Check
is
it
below.
out.
Yeah, definitely go. He's got a lot of toys. All right, we're over at the shop. You guys probably just recognize all these
This is
things.
your favorite right here.
This right here,
You
bro.
told me you loved rubbing, dude. Look at all that.
We're about to join. I think we're gonna buy a Civic, bro.
Here you go, man.
Oh,
This is for
bro.
you, dude.
Thank you, man. I'm gonna cherish. This is,
Dude, I got plenty of it, man.
dude.
This is like my ignorant feel. This is like 16-year-old Rudnick. This is what he wanted. This is what he got.
This is it.
5 years later.
Okay. I mean, it's got a snail though, right?
Yeah, no,
That's all we. That's all that matters. Ooh.
So this thing's a little fun. I don't really take her out a lot. Like this is the car that I don't abuse, you know?
Damn,
This
man.
is like if I want to go to the beach and I want to cruise,
Yeah.
I'm gonna use this because it's not too fast, it's not slow, but it's just it gets the job.
Yeah.
It sounds good. It's got a deep intake noise, obviously with the ITB.
Right. Yeah.
And I love it. And like the interior, other than that shifter,
Okay,
the
yeah.
interior is all stock.
Yeah.
That's actually a stock steering wheel. And if you take this off, it says Unos and everything. It's a Momo wheel, and it actually transformed.
Whoa.
Yeah, dude. Check it out.
Dude.
And
It worked. It's
Horn
loud,
works.
man.
Yeah, it's
Damn.
very
Holy shit. Okay. Wow, that's actually really trick,
pretty
man.
cool,
That's
right?
dope. Yeah, I like that a lot.
really dig it.
Damn, man. The color's dope too, man. I've never
Yeah.
actually seen a
I think this is actually my first blue car. Now that I think about it, little Smurf.
little baby Smurf.
This is it, man. If you want to be low and
Oh.
kind of fast.
Oh, brother, man, this is clean, bro. I love it. Look at that
Yeah, dude.
shave, bro.
I'm giving the 300ZX a run for its
The
money
tuck
for
is
cleanness.
on point, bro. So real quick, what do we got here? Little snail?
Yep. I mean, I don't exactly know what it is. I bought it for $100. So,
Oh,
dude, tell me you can find the exhaust. Where do you think the exhaust dumps out? I'll let you come around.
I mean, it's clean.
I mean, honestly, dude, like, your car's nice and all, but, like,
This is...
there's a lot of time and effort and money into this.
I understand, man.
Honestly, your car's kind of clapped.
I understand that.
So
no,
like,
I
I'm
feel
sorry
you.
to say.
No, man, I would say the same thing. This is
I mean,
nice.
Look at this fender work, dude. Like,
I mean,
how are you gonna tell me?
you can't beat the bacon, bro.
You really can't.
Fair. You won the game, bro. You've won.
That's it.
I've lost. We gotta sell the Z, guys. I'm sorry. All right, guys, so we're just going ahead and trying to get a little diagnosis of the whole temperature problems. The fan is on, however, the temperature is still climbing, which really doesn't make too much sense. So we're just gonna go ahead and kind of, I guess, dig deep a little bit, try and see if we can find anything, maybe do a compression test, whatever. We'll kind of see what the night, or how it unfolds, but you know, luckily we're in the right spot. You know, this could be way worse, and you know, you guys are probably thinking like, man, how isn't this guy like super upset or bummed out? And you know, I am, you know, but being upset isn't gonna change anything, you know? It's just the way it is. So we have to go ahead and just work through it, push through it, and that goes for anything, guys. In life, like, you're gonna have obstacles, man. Just don't panic, bro. As our homie DJ Khaled says, you're gonna have obstacles, man. Do not panic, and you're gonna make it. We gonna make it, right? So, yeah, man, just gotta stay positive, stay upbeat, and things will all, you know, everything happens for a reason, and as weird as it may sound, this is for a good reason, you know, that it happened here as opposed to maybe, you know, who knows, we could have had issues in the middle of nowhere, and then what, you know, here we got the crew, we got help, so very, very fortunate that if it were to happen, this is a place. So I'll keep you guys updated with any kind of updates, what we have, and yeah, fingers crossed we're looking good. Well, let's pray, right?